friends, this is Naveen Kumar. I welcome you all to my channel, The Disciplined Trader. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks for tomorrow, and the date will be 30th December. So let's start the video. The first stock I am going to recommend you people is Mphasis Limited. And strategy behind the stock is shooting star candle with support and resistance. So if you observe the candlestick pattern in weekly time frame, you find this candle as gravestone doji. Gravestone doji is a bullish. It indicates the trend reversal from bullish to bearish. So if you check the candlestick pattern daily time frame, it is shooting star, right? It is a big dominating candle right at the resistance. Like we don't have any resistance as of now. Like it is at the lifetime high. Yeah, it is at the lifetime high. From lifetime at the lifetime high, it has given the candlestick confirmation of shooting star. So what you can do in tomorrow's trading session is, so we have support at this point, that is around 1535. If you observe the stock, it was ejecting from this point, right, around 1535. If you check the low of 24 December, it is 1535, 28 December 1536, and today it is 1540. So my way for tomorrow is, if you find this stock playing below this support level, you can expect a move something like this. Till this swing point. It might touch this point in the coming session. So we will be trading on this stock on the sell side only after the breakout of 1535. If we find that if the stock is not playing below 1535, we are not trading this stock. So simple strategy: we have shooting star candle, big dominating candle. We have minor support at 1535. If you find the stock playing below 1535, we will be trading this stock on the sell side, and not this swing point, sorry for that. So we will be expecting the target till this, that is around 1470. So we will be trading only if the stock is playing below 1535. The next stock is NTPC. NTPC, after the breakout in monthly time frame, after the breakout of this support zone, it took resistance twice, right? It got rejected from the same point. So in daily time frame, you have this trend line, right, where the stock has taken support. So it has given breakout of this trend line and retested this point, and it is again falling back. It is continuing this downward trend. So if you club this 3 candle, you will get a candlestick something like shooting star candle. So if you combine these 3 candle, you will get it is like a morning star candle, right? So if you find the stock trading below today's low, if you find the stock trading below today's low, that is from this swing point, so we can go for the sell position. So if in case if the same happens in tomorrow trading session, we will be having another confirmation to trade this on the positional basis. So the confirmation is, we have a chart pattern here. Let me show you it. Yeah, it's here. The chart pattern is not yet complete. It might complete tomorrow. So let me draw it clearly. In case if the stock plays as we predicted today, so we can expect a big fall in our coming trading days. So the clear strategy, trend line has given breakout, retested the trend line, it is continuing its downward trend, right? So if you find the stock trading below today's low, we can expect if you find the stock trading below 98, we will be trading this on the sell side. The next stock is Axis Bank. Banking sectors are looking bullish, so that is one of the reason to pick this stock. So in Axis Bank, we have a trend line over here. So in tomorrow trading session, so we will be trading this on the buy side only after the breakout, pullback, and continuing its upward trend. So simple strategy, trend line. If you find the stock giving breakout of this trend line, we will be trading this on the buy side. The next stock is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, again we are trading this on the buy side. So if you find the stock it is playing in this downward channel, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find the breakout over this resistance trend line, we will be trading on the buy side. So we will be trading on the buy side only after the good candlestick confirmation. If not this, if this happens, if you find any bearish candle at this point, so in case if you find any bearish candle at this point, so we will be having multiple confirmation, resistance trend line, inner trend line breakout. So if you find this stock trading below this swing point, you can, so we will be trading this on the sell side. We will be trading this on the sell side. We have as this stock is showing to trade on both the sides, so we should wait for the confirmation for tomorrow. Only after that we will be trading on this. So if the stock has given breakout and trading on the upside of this trend line, we will be on the buy side. If you find any bearish candle, we will be on the sell side. So those are the 4 stocks I have picked for tomorrow. So apart from these stocks, I'll be tracking for good opportunities the stocks that I have discussed in my yesterday's video. If I found any good trade in that, I'll be updating in my Telegram channel. So do join my Telegram channel where I will be updating my trading ideas. So for entry and exits of this today of these stocks that I discussed today, so I'll be updating those entry and exit levels with stop loss in my Telegram channel. So make sure you join to that. So thank you. If you guys like my analysis video on those stock, do like, share and comment, and do follow me on Instagram, and do join my Telegram channel, that is Plain Trader. Thank you.